Okay, hi everyone. My name is Frederick Brown, Executive Vice President Gold with myEcon. Um, I want to do a quick start video with myEcon. I've had quite a few people to join, and um, they want to get started pretty quickly, and I just needed to generate something to try and help you out. So the first thing I need you to do is to log in to your website. First of all, once you join, you're going to get two emails. One is going to say it's a welcome email, and the other will be an email with all of your login credentials. It'll have your temporary password. So the first time you log in, you're going to type in the name that you signed up for. In my case, is Mr. Fred Brown myecon.net. That will be your website, your username myecon.net. That's what you type in. It'll take you to your main screen, right? This main screen, this is your myEcon screen. And this is where you log in. Now, let's say you have someone that wants to buy products from you. You give them your website. They will go here. They can click on products, and they can actually purchase these products right from your website. Okay. Of course, you wouldn't give them your login credentials, but that's how they can buy from your website. But for you, you don't buy anything in there. As being a myEcon independent consultant, all of your transactions will be in your back office. So that means you have to log in, right? So you're going to log in. And again, for the first time, if you're doing it for the first time, it will be your username. In my case, it's Mr. Fred Brown. Here, don't put the myecon.net. This is just straight username, all right? And then you're going to use your temporary password if this is your first time, right? And once you log in, then you'll be able to change your password, right? So you log in, right? Now, this takes you, it took me straight to my business management center, but let me just show you. If it didn't the first time, I don't think it does. I think the first time it'll bring you to your home screen. And you want to go to your BMC, your Business Management Center home, Business Management Center home, last tab on the right. That's your back office for myEcon, right? This is where you take care of you manage all of your stuff. Now, there are quite a few tabs here, very important. You need to make sure you go to the Document Center. It gives you information on the compensation plan. But the first thing I want you to do is there's two things. There's quick start orientation and my account. So first thing, let's go to my account because I want to make sure that you're set up to get paid. Now, myEcon will not send you a paper check. Therefore, you need to make sure you go into my commissions. Notice I went to my account, my commissions. You're going to have to photocopy your driver's license and upload it. Scan it in, upload it. You're going to also need to provide a voided check. So you take a blank check, you write void on it, right? And you need to give your banking information, bank name, location, routing numbers, and account numbers. The first digits here on your left at the bottom of the check is your routing number. Middle set of digits is your account number. You need to provide that information, provide your initials. This is safe and secured. Haven't had any issues with it, but this is how they will pay you your money. They will put the money directly to your bank account. I've had quite a bit of money gone into my bank account now. No issues whatsoever. All right, so you need to make sure you have that set up. Once you get that set up, when you go back, and I want you to start or go through the Quick Start Orientation. The Quick Start Orientation is a series of mini videos presented by June Collier. First one pretty much is an overview, 3 minutes long. Then it talks about tax withholding. I want you to go through this one as well. But this starts your income shifting. I've had people ask me about income shifting. This is where income shifting starts, right? He talks about that.
Hello, my name is June Collier.
So I'm not going to play the video here. Complete Form W-4 it shows you how to fill out your W-4 form.
Correct federal income tax.
So just go through each one of those. Talks about record keeping. Talks about the cash flow strategist. I'm going to create some videos on that as well. That's very important information. So this gets you started. Now, so I've logged you in. You've logged in. You've gone to my accounts, you've gone to the quick start video. Let me show you document center. Document center here. This is where you can find the compensation documents. On the left, there's a select the tab. There's a drop down menu. This one here, the first tab is pretty much the compensation plan overview. It can be a little daunting at first. You look at it, but once you understand it, it's not difficult. But if you have difficulty with it, you can also download the second document, which is an explanation. Okay, it's a written explanation of this plan. Okay, so it talks about it and describes what it is. I can make some videos a little bit later and go over those, but I don't want to do that right now. The last part, the last one down here, sales commission chart. That's important because you heard me talk about commission value. I'm expecting to enlarge this a little bit. But this is the commission value. This is the pricing of each of the products and services that's offered, the price, the type, and also the CV, which is the commission value, how much CV it has. So for instance, let's say with myEcon, when you signed up for you as a business owner, you get ID Defender free. It doesn't include your wife or your spouse. Now, to add your spouse or the family plan, you got kids, if you want to add to the plan, you can upgrade to the family plan for $7.95 because you're already a member. Now, that provides a $2 CV. That means every month you pay $7.95, and every month your account will receive a cash value of $2. Now, depending on how you set yourself up to be qualified, and that's determined by how much CV that you personally purchased, minimum of 2, gets you 25% of this number. So that's only 25% of $2. However, if you set yourself up to receive 100%, and that's maintaining a minimum of $10 CV, if you do that, then that'll get you 100% of the CV value, which means you'll get the entire $2. So basically, you're paying $5.95 for the month, right? You look at it that way. And some more pricing and CV values and whatnot. So this is where you can find out how much this stuff costs and how much CV value you get in return. All right. Now, they got some presentation materials. They got a lot here for you to go through. So it will behoove you. If you're looking at this and the promotion is still going on, this is the promotion. If you sign up during the $9.85, this is the Christmas promotion from December 16th through January 12th. If it's after the 12th, if you're looking at this video, this promotion may be gone. I'm not sure. They were talking about extending it, the possibility of extending the promotion. I'm not sure. At this time if that will be done. So that's what's there now. Reports. This gives you all the reports. Right now, most of your stuff is going to be blank. It's not even going to make sense to you, all right? But what will happen is you will be able to click on these reports, and anybody that you sign up, you'll be able to see here. If you click on sponsorship, it'll show you all the people that you sign up. This is show you your commission reports, how much money you receive, customer reports. Anybody that buys anything from you, you can get that information from there. This is your base shop. This is those people that you sign up personally in your base shop. At a glance, gives you an overview. I'm not going to click on some of these. So I got numbers in them, so I don't really want to go through all of these. But these are some of the things that I got set up. All right. So some of this is me. Some of this is other people as well. That's a part of my team that's included. But this pretty much gets you started. If you have any questions, you can email me. Get back with the person that gave you this video, and ask them for any assistance. And there should be more videos to come. So I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you next time. Go make some money.